Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you if the keyboard shortcuts like Control C, Control V, etc. if they are not working in Windows 11. I'll show you the quick ways how to fix it. So the first method is that we are going to restart Windows Explorer. For that I will go in the Task Manager and then I will go and search for a process called Explorer and I will restart this process. Just quickly restart it. So this is the first method. Now check if the issue is resolved or not. If it is not resolved, I will move to my second method, which is to turn off sticky and filter keys. So for that, I will go in the search bar and type settings, and then I will go over here in the accessibility, and then I will go down and I will go to the keyboard section, and I have to make sure that sticky, filter and the toggle keys all should be turned off. All are turned off. Now this is the second thing that you're going to do. Okay, now after this I'm going to check if window hotkeys are disabled or not. For that, I will go in the search bar and I will type edit uh, group policy. I will type edit group policy under control panel, and then I will go and in the user configuration, I will go in the administrative template, and then I will go to Windows component, and then I will go to the file explorer, and then I will go over here, turn off Windows, this hotkeys. I have to make sure that it should be either not configured or it should be disabled. Now it is already set as not configured. It is okay. Click OK. Now this is the third thing that you have to make sure. Okay, now if everything is done and now still the issue is not resolved, what you're going to do is reinstall keyboard driver. For that, what we are going to do is we will open the device manager, and then I will go over here. I will look for a keyboard driver. This is the keyboard driver. So I will just right click, I will click uninstall, and then I will click uninstall. So I'm going to restart my computer after clicking uninstall, and during the process of restart, computer will automatically install the latest keyboard driver in my system. So see you after the restart, and I will click uninstall. So we have done the restart and the latest keyboard driver has been installed in my system. I hope after performing all these steps, the issue will be resolved. At the end, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.